If you're ready to refresh your home with a new coat of paint, having the right tools makes all the difference. In this video, we'll help you find the best paint roller for walls to get smooth, professional-looking results. Number 1. Rhibak Paint Roller. If you're looking for a truly complete painting toolkit that covers nearly every painting scenario you might encounter, the Rhibak Paint Roller is a standout option. This all-in-one set comes packed with an impressive variety of tools designed to make painting walls, ceilings, and even tight corners more efficient and less stressful. Included in the kit are 6 4-inch roller covers, 6 9-inch roller covers, both a 4-inch and a 9-inch roller frame, an adjustable handle extension roller, 3 9-inch paint trays with liners, multiple paint brushes, a scraper, a can opener, and even a stirring rod. It's essentially a portable painting studio in a box, and everything is designed with practicality in mind. One of the most convenient features is the adjustable extension pole, which extends from 23 inches to 47 inches, allowing you to tackle higher walls and ceilings without having to drag out a ladder. Made from durable yet lightweight aluminum alloy, the pole feels sturdy in hand and adjusts smoothly, giving you excellent reach for overhead painting. The variety of roller sizes also makes this set extremely adaptable. The 9-inch rollers are perfect for covering large wall areas quickly, while the 4-inch mini rollers are great for tighter spaces like behind doors, near corners, or around window frames. Another highlight of the Rhibak paint roller set is the build quality. The steel roller frames are designed to resist bending and maintain consistent pressure on the wall, ensuring smooth, even application. The microfiber roller covers absorb a generous amount of paint and distribute it evenly without shedding lint, giving you a clean, professional-looking finish. The brushes are made from 100% synthetic bristles that are smooth, abrasion-resistant, and easy to clean. Number 2. Wagner Spraytech Paint Roller. For anyone hoping to speed up their wall painting projects while keeping the process cleaner and simpler, the Wagner Spraytech Paint Roller is a smart and innovative tool. This isn't your ordinary roller. It's designed with an inner-fed paint system that allows you to load up to 22 ounces of paint directly into the handle. This eliminates the need for messy paint trays and constant reloading, allowing you to paint a 7-foot by 10-foot section of wall with a single fill. It's a huge time saver for large room makeovers, or when you need to cover multiple surfaces quickly. One of the most convenient features is the extended reach of this roller, which allows you to paint ceilings and tall walls without needing ladders, stools, or separate extension poles. You can comfortably reach 8-foot ceilings with ease, making overhead painting much less tiring. The consistent flow of paint through the roller cover helps ensure a smooth, even finish with fewer strokes and less drippage. It works well with a variety of coatings too, handling both latex and oil-based paints, including paint and primer combinations, which adds to its versatility. Cleanup, often the least favorite part of any painting job, is straightforward with this roller. When you're done, you can push any remaining paint back into the can, reducing waste and mess. Flushing the roller with water or an appropriate solvent quickly clears out the system, readying it for your next use. This is particularly useful for those who repaint often or work on regular home improvement projects. Number 3. Pinstone Large Paint Roller. For homeowners tackling big wall painting projects or professionals managing commercial spaces, the Pinstone Large Paint Roller offers both power and flexibility. This kit is thoughtfully designed for covering large surface areas quickly, coming equipped with a 12 to 18-inch adjustable roller frame, 3 18-inch nylon roller covers with a 1/2-inch nap, a sturdy roller handle, and a set of 5 sectional steel extension poles that adjust from 1 to 5 feet. It's perfect for everything from standard room walls to towering ceilings and other hard-to-reach areas. The adjustable roller frame is a standout feature, with its screw-tight aluminum alloy arm that accommodates roller covers from 12 to 18 inches. This makes it easy to switch between roller sizes based on the area you're painting. The roller frame is angled perfectly for staying close to baseboards and ceilings, preventing those annoying missed edges, and its rounded rod edges ensure damage-free contact against surfaces. The durable, right-angled bar construction offers stability, preventing the frame from bending or breaking under pressure. Another advantage of this kit is its 1 to 5 foot adjustable extension pole system. The 5 steel poles can be added or removed as needed, providing an easy solution for painting high walls and ceilings without requiring a ladder. These universal threaded poles are compatible with other household tools, making them a versatile addition to your garage or workshop. The 18-inch nylon roller covers perform excellently too, holding a generous amount of paint and delivering a smooth, lint-free finish. Nylon absorbs paint better than microfiber in many cases and is easier to clean for reuse, adding to this kit's practical value. Number 4. Accubrush MX Paint Edger. If your painting projects involve a lot of trim, windows, or baseboards, the Accubrush MX Paint Edger could save you hours of time and frustration. Known for its ability to cut and paint cleanly without the need for masking tape, this tool is a favorite for homeowners and DIYers who want sharp, precise lines along edges and corners. It drastically reduces painting time by half, making it a must-have for detail work around doors, ceilings, and trim. The tool's design combines a small roller and a precision brush working together. The roller lays down a consistent coat of paint, while the attached brush edges in tightly against borders, creating clean, crisp lines. This setup eliminates the tedious job of taping off areas and allows you to work confidently without worrying about accidental smudges or uneven lines. It's especially handy for wainscoting, crown molding, and window frames where maintaining a clean separation between surfaces is important. Another benefit is its reusability. Both the rollers and brushes are washable, making them practical for multiple projects. Number 5. Voomey Paint Roller Tray with Liner. If you're tackling a large painting project and need a reliable setup that can handle big wall areas efficiently, the Voomey Paint Roller Tray with Liner kit is a practical and user-friendly option. This 18-inch paint roller kit comes with a total of 10 pieces, including oversized rollers, an adjustable frame, a large-capacity paint tray with liners, and a sturdy extension pole. It's designed for serious coverage, making it perfect for walls, ceilings, and other expansive surfaces. The oversized 18-inch roller frame is both lightweight and durable, offering steady support for large roller heads. It's suitable for roller covers ranging from 12 to 18 inches and includes precise markings to adjust to your desired roller size easily. This flexibility makes it a convenient tool for switching between different roller heads without hassle. The microfiber roller covers can hold a significant amount of paint, reducing the need for frequent reloading, and their non-shedding design ensures a clean, streak-free finish. A standout feature is the extra-large paint tray, which comes with 3 liners. The deep tray holds a generous volume of paint, while built-in grooves allow for easy rolling and excess paint removal. The liners make cleanup a breeze and prevent paint buildup, which can lead to uneven finishes. It's a small but practical detail that simplifies project management, especially when working with different colors or types of paint. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.